Top 7 diabetic vegetable list. 1. Broccoli has more vitamin C per 100 grams than an orange, plus it is high in the antioxidant beta-carotene, which the body uses to make vitamin A. This dark green vegetables vitamin is also rich in folate and fiber, all with minimum calories and carbs. What makes this class of veggies unique is the high levels of sulfur-containing compounds known as glucosinolates. 2. Asparagus. Asparagus is a favorite food for many. Vegetable with only 5 grams of carb, 20 calories, and almost 2 grams of dietary fiber per serving. It is especially high in an antioxidant called glutathione, which plays a key role in easing the effects of aging and many diseases, including diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Kale. It's no wonder the popularity of this leafy green non-starchy vegetable has soared in recent years. It is tasty, highly nutritious, and a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. Kale is one of those green leafy veggies associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. People who ate the most green leafy vegetables were 14% less likely to develop diabetes than those consuming the least amounts. Kale contains two pigments, lutein and zeaxanthin, that are beneficial for eye health. 4. Carrots. Cooked or raw carrots are a healthy addition to any meal plan. While cooked carrots have the rich texture of starchy vegetables such as potatoes, they are classified as non-starchy veggies because they don't contain a lot of carbohydrate. A 1 cup serving of raw carrots has about 5 grams of carb, as does a half cup cooked serving. 5. Spinach. Spinach is good for you. You probably already know that it is loaded with vitamins and minerals. A 1 cup serving of raw spinach or a half cup cooked provides over 50% of the daily value for folate and vitamin C. At the same time, a serving of this non-starchy vegetable is super low in calories and carbohydrate. A half cup cooked serving contains just 22 calories and 4 grams of carb. 6. Red onions. Don't hold the onions, especially red ones. They not only add great color to salads, burgers, and sandwiches, but they also score higher in antioxidant power compared with their yellow and white cousins. Onions are also a good source of fiber, potassium, and folate, all good for heart health. 7. Red peppers. Red peppers are actually green peppers that have been allowed to ripen on the vine longer. They are loaded with nutrients, including the antioxidants, vitamin C, and beta-carotene. Like other red fruits and vegetables, red peppers deliver a healthy dose of lycopene. Vitamins A and C, along with lycopene, promote good health and reduce the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and some cancers. Top snacks for diabetes. One of the main problems those of us with diabetes have is our hunger and trying to find those in between meal snacks that are satisfying and taste good while also helping us maintain our blood sugar. When it comes to snacks, or any food for that matter, we have to look at the glycemic load. The glycemic load takes into account what type of carb we are dealing with and how it truly affects your blood sugar postprandial. This so that if you see a food on list of best snacks and on another expert's list it is on a list of worst snacks, you will know why. Here is both the GI and GL of each food on this list. Popcorn. This is a food you will probably see on some worst snacks list because the GI is a medium 55, but the glycemic load of popcorn is a very low 2.8. In its unprocessed form, popcorn is considered a significant source of whole grain fiber. It is advisable for breakfast. Yes, popcorn with a little sucrose and 2% milk is a wonderful cereal. It truly is a great snack for any time. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in calcium, high in protein and probiotics. There are few foods healthier than Greek yogurt. They do have some carbs. Greek only has about 4 grams of sugar per 6 ounce serving. Greek yogurt contains significant amounts of potassium, calcium and magnesium, which is shown to improve blood pressure. The GI of Greek yogurt is 11, the GL is 0. Walnuts. Walnuts have a GI and GL of 0, meaning that they have no significant effect on raising blood sugar. They are extremely heart healthy and they also contain copper, manganese, vitamin B1 and vitamin B6. Plus, they are super rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Strawberries. Strawberries. A great alternative to those with a sweet tooth is strawberries. They are sweet, low in calories and make a great snack. Several human studies have established that people who eat plenty of berries, such as strawberries and blueberries, have a lower risk of both diabetes, heart attacks, and dementia. Studies have also linked the high vitamin C content of strawberries to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. 1 cup of fresh strawberries provides 160% of your daily need of vitamin C. Want a really good snack? Blend fresh or frozen strawberries and or blueberries into a smoothie. Both strawberries and blueberries have a low G1 in the low 40s as an average. They have an average GL of 4. Peanut butter. Peanut butter has a glycemic index of 14 and a glycemic load of 6. This low ranking means peanut butter helps stabilize blood sugar and insulin levels. They have a lot of calories and you will see several carbs on the label. But a tablespoonful of peanut butter is an amazing snack to fill you up. Peanut butter, it is very low in cholesterol. It is also a good source of niacin and manganese. Apples. A small apple delivers 77 calories, 21 grams of carbohydrate and 4 grams of fiber. It is also a good source of vitamin C and has a smattering of other vitamins and minerals. The main benefit of an apple is the richness they possess in soluble fiber. This fiber keeps you full and slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping regulate blood glucose levels. Apples have a GI of 39 and GL of 4. A dark chocolate bar. Boiled eggs. Chicken is good for diabetic patients because of its low fat content. The high fat content in red meats causes elevated levels of cholesterol, which can lead to blockages in the arteries, resulting in coronary heart disease. Diabetics are at a higher risk of developing coronary heart disease and should replace red meat in their diet with lean white meats like chicken. This has a beneficial effect on both the heart and the kidneys, two organs that are at greater risk in diabetics. Chicken for type 1 and 2 diabetes. Chicken is good for type 1 diabetics. Since this disease mostly strikes in childhood, it is also known as juvenile diabetes. Insulin and other medication should be taken as prescribed and blood sugar levels should be monitored regularly. Eating can sometimes be a problem, and in such cases, you should try to vary the diet a bit. Chicken soup is a better alternative to cooked or baked chicken as it is easier to swallow. Chicken is good diet for type 2 diabetics too, especially those who have been used to a diet with a lot of meat. It is easier to substitute chicken for red meat compared to having no meat at all in the diet. The low fat content in chicken makes it easier for these diabetics to lose weight, a crucial factor in diabetes management. How to prepare chicken soup? For this, we need chicken boneless, carrot finely chopped half cup, and onion finely chopped half cup, ginger finely cut 1 inch, red chilli 1, salt to taste, pepper to taste, corn flour 1 teaspoon, and some water, coriander. Take a pan, add some water and boil it for a few minutes. Add ginger and chili pieces. And add carrot and onions. Now add boneless chicken to it. Add some salt and pepper. Cook it gently until the chicken is cooked well. Remove the chicken from it. Drain this stock. Yummy flavor stock is ready. Now shred the chicken. Boil the stock and add chicken pieces into it. Now simmer the flame. Take some corn flour and add some water. Make a thick paste and add this to the boiling chicken. Mix it well and it thickens. Now pour it into a serving bowl. Garnish with coriander, carrot and green chilies. Yummy, yummy chicken soup is ready to serve. By taking this chicken soup daily, you can reduce your high blood sugar levels. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.